Google Chrome gets a hidden redesign. Here is the secret way to access it. Google Chrome has been given a hidden new redesign, but it is only available to users that navigate through some simple tricks. Here is the secret way to get it. Google has been working on a huge new look for Chrome, and now iPhone users can get their hands on an early version. Chrome has now moved the Tab button to the bottom of the screen in addition to the forward and back buttons on the iOS app. A search feature sits in the middle of the two for quick Google queries. The top of the screen stays mostly clear when browsing and is only disrupted to bring down the URL bar. Tabs themselves have also been dramatically overhauled and will display web pages in little squares rather than sorting them in a filing cabinet like row. This appears to have been done to give the user a quick look at what sites they have open without having to scroll through a huge list. Incognito mode is easily accessed from the top of the Tab page, while a large blue button exists at the bottom to open a new web page. Apple users need to head to a special URL to access the redesign, and here's how to find it. Firstly, you should open the Chrome app on your iPhone. Then, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type Chrome//flags/ top Chrome MD. You'll see a long list of settings. Scroll down to the option UI Refresh Phase 1 and select Enabled from the drop-down menu. Then restart the app and it will look drastically different. Unfortunately, the new look is not currently available for Android users. It is currently unknown when the update will make its way over to the Google operating system. Desktops will not see as drastic a change, but Chrome will still look more circular and white than before. The rounded tabs present on the iOS app have not yet arrived for PC and Mac owners, but are understood to be coming later on. Desktop users should head to Chrome//flags/ top Chrome MD and similarly change options from default to refresh in the UI layout for the browser's top Chrome area. Restarting the browser will once again be required for the change to appear. Chrome's latest version, 68, launched at the start of the week. Most notably, it now marks websites that are not using HTTPS as not secure. The move appears to be part of Google's push to enable more encryption on the Internet. Websites using HTTPS are encrypted, meaning the user is provided with a much increased level of security.